Introduction to static analysis. In this module, we will be covering static analysis. We will discuss the tools and techniques required to perform static analysis in Android applications. So let's get started. Static analysis in Android, the process of examining software code without actually running it, is called static analysis. It involves running the code and its structure to identify the potential issues such as bugs, security vulnerabilities, and performance problems. Problems that can be identified using static analysis include syntax errors and other coding mistakes, security vulnerabilities like buffer overflows or injection attacks, performance bottlenecks and other insufficiencies, code complexity and maintainability issues, compliance with coding standards and best practice. Let's now move to the tools used for static analysis. There are several tools used for static analysis in Android, but the most commonly used are MobSF, an open source tool used for both static analysis and dynamic analysis. JADX GUI, which provides a GUI for obtaining Java source code from Android DEX and APK files. APK tool, which is used for reverse engineering Android applications.